The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says Missouri is last in the country for vaccinating residents.
Yeah, and I just spoke with Missouri Governor Mike Parson to find out if this reporting is true, and if so, why. The CDC says less than 4% of Missouri residents have got the first COVID-19 vaccination shot. The national average, they say, is 5.6%. I asked Missouri Governor Mike Parson this exact question.
Is Missouri really last when it comes to residents getting the first shot of the COVID-19 vaccine? And if so, why is that? Or is the CDC saying something different?
Of the article that was written about that's totally misleading. So I'll try to explain this the best I can. We are well above the national average in most every category on the vaccine. What happens? There was a federal contract with CVS and Walgreens to administer to our long care facilities. That's their contract. That's the one that's spewing the numbers so differently or so much. Is that contract? That's a federal contract. We didn't even know how much vaccines they were doing until here recently. So what they did is they put that federal contract in with the states, and that's why it made the numbers look so bad, because frankly, they're behind on doing theirs.
What can political leaders do or citizens to help any issues, if anything? Or is it a situation where we just have to sit back and trust the process?
The most important thing for Missourians to know, we don't have one bit of stockpile on vaccine. Every vaccine that's coming in the state, we're sending out to healthcare workers all over the state of Missouri. And when they be critical of the numbers are always going to be a problem, because there's many areas that can't respond to those numbers simply because they don't have the scanning capabilities. We know there's 70 facilities in the states that's doing vaccine, but they're manually trying to send information in. So that data is always going to be slow coming in.
Governor Parsons says if citizens actually look into how the CDC is coming up with their numbers, they will see why he says it's not accurate. And he also made a point about the CDC saying that Missouri rates higher than the national average when it comes to residents getting a second shot, which didn't make sense to him.